everybody. I'm gonna show you a special treatment for sneezing. This is used for sneezing. It is 100% natural treatment, traditional treatment, not chemical, and it is used to uh, for sneezing, for mucus and cold, for headaches. It is called anfieh in Persian. You put it here a little bit, very little. Like, like this is too much. Look, this is too much. And you sniff it, but it's too much. I have to put away a little. Look, wow. Believe me, it's not drugs. They're not drugs. Believe me. Don't accuse me for like using drugs. Okay, I'm gonna sneeze in a few minutes. It's coming. I swear to God, it's coming. Oh, it's not coming. It's coming. Oh shit. That feels good. It is effective actually. It's very effective. I'm gonna sneeze at least like 3 or 4 times, not only one time. Thanks for watching.